essentially have no idea where to start or what to do. I think I'm probably at the point I should just start room by room and just get it done, but I'm such a perfectionist. It's kind of been so long, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. But we're wallpaper behind here, so I think I was going to do like half a thing along here. Maybe I'll start in this room, because I just told you I'll start in this room, so maybe that's easier. This room has stairs, that's scary. This room, I have no idea what I'm doing, and that room has those things, which are also scary, because I kind of don't know what I'm doing. So maybe we'll start with this room. I don't know why I opened that, maybe it just made me feel like I was doing something. I'm gonna paint the room with another coat, but first I think I need to do the skirting, because I'm gonna keep the skirting white. And I think I need to do the bottom half, that beading, however I was gonna do it, whatever I was gonna do. So I was kind of thinking, should I just put these up here? Obviously I'm gonna paint them white anyway. Cut them to the same length and then just do like one along the top. The best way to do this, like, do I line it up across there? Do I just make it flat and then stick it on? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna use this. Use this thingy, hopefully. like 2.5 of those to get across there. So I'm just going to do that, and then I think I'm going to glue it all together and then maybe sand that. We'll just put it down because I might put a skirting at the bottom anyway, so it doesn't matter the finish on that, and then just glue it down here and then stick it in. I just won't get it done, and I'm on Struggle Street, so I think I'm just gonna, I've got them cut, I'm just gonna glue them and hope for the best really. I think it's empty. After minutes of trying to figure out how to get it out, I think it's empty. Oh, as that goes down, I think it might just be empty. No, right. There's some in there. Come on. Maybe use an era. Yeah, turns out it was just clogged up because I didn't seal it properly last time. so they'll be all the way across there and then painted white.
When they change the baby, we'll go by the flower. We will cut the thing. This will go here. And then put here. And then put that here. Do we put the plant? Maybe the plant can cut by the edge and this please. And the plant will go by the door. And here's the mat for the baby, so it can lie on, change its bum. Do we put the teddy bear?